Thinking about building or remodeling a master suite? In this series, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from planning and budgeting to design ideas, mistakes to avoid, and real before and after examples. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of what's possible and what to watch out for. Let's start with planning. Part 1. Planning your master suite. The first step is planning. Ask yourself, why do I want this master suite? Is it for privacy, comfort, or maybe for parents or guests? Next, think about location. Some people convert an existing room, like an office. Others build an addition for more space and natural light. Layout is key. A smart design connects the bedroom, closet, and bathroom in a way that feels natural. For example, putting the closet between the bedroom and bath makes morning routines easier. And finally, plan ahead. Even if you don't need it now, wider doors or a walk-in shower can save you money later. Part 2. Costs and budgeting. So, how much does a master suite cost? It depends on the size and finishes. Converting an existing room might run $50,000 to $80,000. Building a mid-size addition usually costs $100,000 to $180,000. And a luxury suite with custom closets and a spa bathroom can go over $180,000 to $250,000. The big cost drivers are plumbing, HVAC, and high-end finishes. To stay on budget, make a list of must-haves and nice-to-haves, and always keep at least 10% set aside for surprises. Part 3. Design trends and must-haves. Let's talk design. Right now, spa-style bathrooms are very popular. Think walk-in showers, heated floors, and freestanding tubs. Walk-in closets with built-ins and good lighting are also a must-have. Some homeowners love adding doors that open to a patio or garden, a great way to bring in natural light. You can also make the suite multi-purpose with a reading corner, a small office, or even a coffee station. And of course, smart home features like dimmable lighting or energy-efficient windows add comfort and save money. Part 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are some mistakes I see homeowners make. Number 1. Putting the suite in a noisy spot near the kitchen or family room. Privacy matters. Number 2. Poor layout. If the closet is in the wrong place, daily use feels awkward. Number 3. Spending too much on finishes but skipping essentials like good lighting and ventilation. Number 4. Not enough storage. Even a luxury suite feels cluttered without it. And number 5. Not thinking about the future. Wider doors and curbless showers are easier now than later. Before we get into part 5, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Found this helpful? Drop a comment below. I'd love your thoughts. Part 5. 10 essential tips before a master suite addition. 1. Decide the purpose first. Is this suite for you, aging parents, future resale, or long-term comfort? Knowing the why will guide every decision. Example: a suite for resale might need luxury finishes, while one for aging parents needs accessibility features. 2. Location matters. Choose the right spot. First floor additions are great for aging in place, but consider privacy, light, and noise. Example: don't place the suite next to the kitchen if you want peace and quiet. 3. Plan the layout for daily life. Make sure the bedroom, bathroom, and closet flow naturally. Example: put the closet between the bedroom and bathroom for easier morning routines. 4. Think about size early. Bigger isn't always better. A well-designed 300 square foot suite feels better than a poorly designed 500 square foot one. Rule of thumb: bedroom plus bath plus closet should work together, not just add square footage. 5. Set a realistic budget. Expect $80,000 to $150,000 plus depending on finishes. Always keep 10 to 15% aside for surprises, like plumbing or structural work. 6. Don't forget natural light. Windows, skylights, or even doors to a patio can make the suite feel like a retreat. Example: a small suite with a glass door to a backyard can feel much larger and brighter. 7. Plan for storage. Closets, built-ins, and hidden storage make the suite functional long-term. Example: add built-in drawers under windows or benches to save space. 8. Add aging-in-place features now. Even if you don't need them yet, they'll save you money later. Examples: curbless showers, wider doors, lever handles, and blocking for future grab bars. 9. Focus on essentials before luxuries. It's tempting to splurge on finishes, but prioritize comfort and function first, like good lighting, ventilation, and layout. 10. Hire the right team. A master suite is one of the biggest additions you can do. Work with an experienced contractor who knows local codes, permits, and design. Tip: ask to see their past master suite projects before signing. Part 6. 10 mistakes to avoid before a master suite addition. Now let's go over the 10 biggest mistakes homeowners often make when adding a master suite and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Choosing the wrong location. Don't place your suite next to noisy areas like the kitchen, living room, or laundry. Example: one homeowner put their first floor suite next to the family room. Every night they could hear the TV and kids playing, which ruined the privacy and peace they wanted. Mistake 2. Ignoring future needs. Skipping features like wider doors or a curbless shower can make the suite unusable as you age. Example: a couple built a beautiful bathroom with a high tub. 10 years later, they needed to remodel just to make it safe and accessible. Mistake 3. Underestimating costs. Permits, plumbing, HVAC, and structural changes add up fast if you don't plan ahead. Example: a homeowner budgeted $70,000 for a suite remodel, but didn't include plumbing and electrical reroutes. Mistake 4. Poor layout flow. A suite should have a natural connection between the bedroom, closet, and bathroom. Bad layouts make daily life frustrating. Example: a walk-in closet located far from the bathroom forced daily trips across the room, making mornings inefficient. Mistake 5. Forgetting storage. Even the most luxurious suite feels cluttered without enough storage. Example: one suite had a large bedroom and bathroom, but no linen closet or drawers. The homeowners had to store towels and clothes in other rooms. Mistake 6. Overbuilding or overspending. A suite that's too big or too fancy for the rest of your home can feel out of place and hurt resale value. Example: a small 1,500 square foot home had a 600 square foot luxury suite added. Buyers later said it didn't feel balanced with the rest of the house. Mistake 7. Neglecting natural light and ventilation. A dark, stuffy suite doesn't feel like a retreat. Example: one suite had no windows in the bathroom. Despite a high-end tub and finishes, it felt cramped and uninviting. Mistake 8. Prioritizing looks over function. Fancy finishes can't fix a bad layout or poor usability. Example: a homeowner installed a $10,000 marble vanity, but the bathroom had a tiny shower and poor door placement. It wasn't practical. Mistake 9. Not checking local codes or HOA rules. Your suite could violate setbacks, height limits, or HOA rules if you don't check first. Example: a homeowner built an addition with large patio doors, only to find out their HOA restricted exterior changes. They had to redesign the suite. Mistake 10. Hiring the wrong contractor. Cheap bids can lead to delays, poor quality, and hidden costs. Example: a homeowner hired the lowest bid and ended up with unfinished walls, incorrect plumbing, and a bathroom that leaked. They had to hire another contractor to fix it. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll save time, money, and a lot of frustration. Planning smart from the start is the key to building a master suite that's beautiful, functional, and built to last. Remember, a master suite isn't just an upgrade. It's an investment in your lifestyle and your home's value. Plan smart, budget wisely, and avoid common mistakes. If you're ready to bring your dream suite to life, the team at DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling is here to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more remodeling tips and ideas.